Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we had discussed the different indices of Otterberg indices, and in this lecture, we are going to solve some problems based on these different formulas. So let us discuss question number 1. A soil has liquid limit of 25% and a flow index of 12.5%. If the plastic limit is 17%, determine plasticity and toughness index. If the water content of soil in its natural condition in the field is 20%, find the liquidity index and consistency index. So this is the question. So first work is to find out the given data from the given question. So liquid limit WL equal to 25%, flow index IF equal to 12.5%, plastic limit WP equal to 17%. Here we have to find out plasticity or plastic index. Here it is given plasticity index and toughness index. IP equal to question mark, toughness index IT equal to question mark. Again, soil is in natural condition in the field, that means W equal to 20%, it is given here. Again, we have to find liquidity index IL equal to question mark, consistency index IC equal to question mark. So this is all the given data which we extract from the given question. So next, let's see what we can calculate first from the given data. So we know plastic index IP equal to WL minus WP. So everything is given. WL, WP is given. So we can easily find out it. So 25 minus 17 equal to 8%. As here I put the percentage directly, so the answer is in percentage. If we put in decimal, then again here we get the answer in decimal. After that again we have to convert it into percentage. Our answer must be in percentage. So choice is yours. If we put directly the values, then the answer is in percentage like this. Otherwise you have to choose the another option. Next is toughness index IT equal to, again we know the formula. Already discussed all the formulas, IP by IF, all the values given here. IP we calculate here 8 divided by IF. IF is given here. This is 12.5 equal to 0.64 equal to 64%. Next, liquidity index IL equal to W minus WP by IP. So everything is given. So we put here the values 20 minus 17 by 8 equal to 0.37 equal to 37%. Last one is consistency index IC equal to, we know the formula, WL, that means liquid limit minus W, natural water content, divided by plasticity index equal to 25 minus 20 by 8. All the values are known to us. So 0.62, and finally we convert it into percentage. This is 62%. Question number 2. A soil has a liquid limit of 25% and flow index of 12.5%. If the plastic limit is 16%, determine the plasticity used and toughness index. Again, if the water content in its natural condition in the field is 17%, find the liquid index and consistency index. This is the same question as question number 1, only some data are changed. Otherwise, the question is same. So let us write down the given data. What are given? Liquid limit WL equal to 25%, flow index IF equal to 12.5%, plastic limit WP equal to 16%, plasticity or plastic index IP equal to question mark. We have to find out it. Toughness index IT equal to also question mark. Natural water content which is given here, this is 17%. Next again we have to find out the IL, liquid limit, consistency index, liquid index, a liquidity index, IL equal to question mark, consistency index IC equal to question mark. So the same procedure, same formula, nearly all the values are given. So let us find out. So first we can calculate IP. IP equal to, we know the formula, WL minus WP, plastic limit minus, sorry, liquid limit minus plastic limit. So 25 minus 16 equal to 9%. Then we have to find the liquidity index. Formula is IL equal to W minus WP by IP. So values are 17 minus 16 by 9 equal to 0.11. Again we convert it into percentage, equal to 11%. Next is consistency index IC equal to WL minus W by IP. So here we also all the values are known to us. So we can put directly 25 minus 17 by 9 equal to 0.88. We can find out this, again 88%. The last one is the toughness index, IT equal to, we know the formula is IP by IF, plasticity index by flow index. So already we have calculated plasticity index. Here IP equal to 9. So we put it here. 9 by 12.5 equal to 0.72 equal to 72%. So this much. Next, volumetric shrinkage. Notation is VS, volumetric shrinkage. So volumetric shrinkage or volumetric change is defined as the reduction in the volume of soil mass expressed as percentage of its dry volume when the soil is dried from a water content above shrinkage limit to the shrinkage limit. So this is its definition, and based on the definition we can express it like this: Vs equal to V1 minus Vd by Vd into 100, where V1 equal to volume of soil mass at any water content and Vd equal to volume of dry soil mass. This is a 2-mark question. Also we will solve some problem based on this formula Vs, volumetric shrinkage. In some question it will ask to solve volumetric shrinkage. So you have to remember this formula. Next is shrinkage ratio, SR. So it is defined as the ratio of reduction in volume of soil mass expressed as percentage of its dry volume to the corresponding reduction in water content. That means whatever the volumetric shrinkage we find out, or to the corresponding reduction in water content, or its other formula is SR equal to rho D by rho W or gamma D by gamma W. So all the formulas are important, you have to remember, because as per the requirement of question you have to put the formula, where V1 equal to volume of soil mass at water content W1, V2 equal to volume of soil mass at water content W2, and Vd equal to volume of dry soil mass. So this is its definition and this is the formula, you have to remember this one. And a condition is here, when the soil is dried the shrinkage ratio is, we can find out V2 equal to, here we put the V2 equal to Vd and W1 equal to WL, W2 equal to Ws. Then it changes to SR equal to V1 minus Vd by Vd into 100 whole divided by WL minus Ws. So we can also change it like this: SR equal to Vs whole divided by WL minus Ws into 100. So this also alternative formula. It also required to find out the or to solve the given question. Or implies here from this Vs equal to, we can also write SR into WL minus Ws. Another formula for shrinkage limit when specific gravity of soil is known to us. If we know the specific gravity, then how we can calculate the shrinkage limit of the soil? Notation is Ws equal to, we can write its formula is rho d divided by rho w minus 1 by z whole into 100, or Ws equal to m1 minus md minus rho w into v1 minus vd by md into 100, or Ws equal to gamma d by gamma w minus 1 by z into 100. So these are the alternative formulas. In next lecture again we will solve some problem based on these new formulas. So thank you.